What is going on, YouTube? Today we're gonna do unboxing for the Ridgid 5.0 horsepower vacuum cleaner. Okay, the reason I got this is because I saw this on the Home Depot channel, and it comes with this attachment, and that alone, I believe, is already $30 if you buy it separate from Home Depot. But picked this up today for 69 bucks. With taxes comes to about $76. So let's go ahead and open it. There you go. The model number is WD40500, and this is the one. This version doesn't have wheels on it, but yeah, I don't really care for the wheels because you sometimes it will bump your car when dragging the vacuum. This is the stock ones that comes with it, this hose, and this is the aftermarket. Oh, not aftermarket, but this is the free one that you get. It's 7 feet long. Comes with the auto detailing attachments. Another one. And this is the one I like, really. This one is see, flexible. You can bend it. It will reach the sides of your car with ease. And this is that baby. I do love this one better, to be honest, compared to the WD 4070 that has the wheels. Because sometimes though you drag this, and with the wheels it just hits your car. So I like this. Makes you lift the vacuum. When you go on the other side. I'll try to open this one. And that's the filter right there. And here's some additional attachments that came free. Another one with a brush. And here's comes with additional vacuum filter. Because this one, you use this when you just want to try to vacuum like fine dust particles or sand or something. All right. All right. There you are, guys. Ridgid 5.0 horsepower, 4-gallon vacuum with free attachments, auto detailing attachments. It comes bonus when you buy this from Home Depot. Total is 69 bucks. Set me around $76 with taxes. All right. Thanks, guys.